Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the next content of the issue of debentures. Today, I will tell you about the issue of debentures for other than cash considerations. The methods are at par, at premium and at discount. So, first is the understand the concept of the issue of debentures other than cash. Sometimes the company purchase assets from the vendor means suppliers, and then the vendor account is settled without making the payment. Debentures are issued in place of payment. So in that cases it is called as issue of debentures other than cash. It can be issued at par, at premium and at discount. So entries are generally the same as you know the in the chapter of shares, but slightly with the help of the example, I will tell you how to pass the entries, but only the one thing is differ, that is the name of security is changed. Earlier you were writing share capital, now you have to write down in place of share capital the rate of percentage given in your questions with the debentures. Suppose 10%, then you have to write down 10% debentures. Nobody will use it like the debentures account. Now the first is at par question is here. Now you may see the one company purchase is the book value of 2 lakh with the another company. That means the payment of purchase consideration by issuing the 2000 10% debentures at the face value of 100 each. The same system you have to take, like the first is the entry for the assets purchasing on credit entry will be passed. Sundry asset account debits to the vendor account. If the name of vendor is listed from where you are purchasing, that means list the name of the vendor. Now the vendor account is to be closed, vendor account is debited by issue the debentures, now 10% debentures. Now the question is of the at par, so you have to apply the one formula for calculating the number of debenture issued to vendor, that is total amount payables to the vendor divided by the method means at par or premium or discount. Here the method is at par, so divided by the face value, that is 2000 debentures. It means 2000 debentures issued to the vendor. So 2000 multiplied by the face value 100, it will come in front of the 10% debentures account. But you don't have to change the figures of the, if the vendor is credited in the first entry, then it will be debited with the same entry to the second to settle the accounts. So here two debentures account how to calculate we are discussing. Now, second is the issue of debentures for the other than cash considerations. When the for the cash consideration is there, so the assets first entry will be the same natures, like the book value 2 lakh 20 from the another company. So the same entry is common entry is there, and the second is the vendor account you have to list with the 2 lakh 20,000. Now move towards the situation at premium. The face value is 100 put in front of the 10% debentures, and the 10% of the premium is rupees 10 of the 100, that means rupees 10 the in front of the security premium, and multiplied by the number of debentures calculated, the total amount payable to the vendor divided by 110 is 2000. So this is the scheme now to calculate now 2000 and multiply by the debentures and the security premium. In the same manners you have to calculate if there is difference between the any asset, you may write down first entry with the goodwill or with the capital reserve if there is any difference. So I think this is the scheme now. So now I am moving to the at discount. Now at discount is also there, like the one company is purchasing rupees 1,90,000 from the another company, so the sundry assets to the vendor with the 1,90,000, and the vendor with the 1,90,000 is again debited here, but the condition is at discount now. So the discount is to be applied the 105% on the 100, that is 5 rupees. You have to put the 5 rupees in front of the discount, it is a loss, and the face value of 100, that is in front of the debentures, and multiply by the number of debentures calculated. How will you calculate it? Total amount payable 190 to the debentures holder divided by the conditions at discount, the discounting value 5, then 100 minus 5 is 95. So 2000 is there. So multiply all the figure of discount and debentures with that 2000. So I think this is the scheme now. And now you will do all the sum accordingly. And now I am moving to the one thing more also. Look at the first entry now. Now the first entry is referring the purchasing the so many other kind of machineries, furnitures, and the liabilities are to taken, and the purchase considerations are also given in front of the XYZ. So after putting the all the assets and liabilities, sometime the difference may be there. If the debit side consists with the difference, it will be placed with the goodwill. If the credit side is getting the difference, it will be filled with the capital reserve. So, but now here the question is leading with the goodwill. So, XYZ consisting with the purchase considerations 3 lakh 15. So now you have to settle the 3 lakh 15,000 by issuing the debentures. So conditions will be applied on the 3 lakh 15,000. In the same manner, the issue of debentures for the capital reserve is here. So you may see here the asset is 3 lakh given, liability is also given, purchase consideration is also given, difference is placing to the capital reserve 20,000 because the credit side is short, but forwarded only the B and company account because the vendor account is 270 and settle with the condition of the premium. Premium is applying on 100, that is 120 is the answer. Now the 15% is getting 100 face value and the security premium is getting 20. So the total value is 120 is used for the 2,70,000 payable amount divided, then the number of debentures will come 2,250. It will be multiplied by the debentures amount and the, as well as to the security. I think the matter is now clear to you. Thank you and make practices of your back exercise.